Hey guys, and welcome back to Makeup by You, and today in this video I'm doing a video idea that has only been done on YouTube like once before, but the video I'm doing is not exactly the same. This person called Samantha Ravendale, I think. I'm sorry if I just butchered her last name. She did a video called Doing My Makeup Using Techniques I Hate. In my video, I'm going to be doing full face of makeup using techniques I never use. So I guess the video ideas are on the same line. Let's just get straight into it. Usually I always do my eyebrows first. Makeup technique I see a lot of other YouTubers using is they will put their foundation on first and then do their eyebrows. I dislike this technique. I like to be able to fix my eyebrows shape with makeup wipes because I use an eyebrow powder, so this is incredibly easy. This cannot really be done when you've got foundation around them, but let's just get into this. For foundation, I will be using a mixture of the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation and the Zero Long Lasting Life Proof Foundation. But before I apply foundation, I will be using primer. This is a technique about 75% of other makeup wearers use, but in my case, especially when I have a dewy / more hydrating and not a matte foundation, I feel like I don't need a primer. But on the other hand, like, if I am just using a solely matte and very dry foundation, I will use a primer. The primer I'll be using today is the Ordinary high-spreadability fluid primer. Now I have applied the primer, it's time to finally put the foundation on my face. You're on your level 2, trying to do what lovers do. Eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in Ash Brown. So I'm back with my eyebrows 50% completed because I'm just going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape and carving out my eyebrows, which is feeling very light. So guys, that is my eyebrows completed to the best of my ability using that technique. And something I found which I didn't really like about it, where I had to lean my hand on my face, because that's how I use my brush. I'll like have it like I'll lean it on my face just to get it in the correct position, and I think that maybe that could really irritate the foundation. It's now time for eyeshadow, and just to clear something up, I actually have a really bad cold right now, but I'm just filming a video. For the eyeshadow base, I'm just going to be using Tarte Shape Tape. The special technique that I'll be using for this part of my routine is setting the eyeshadow base. Technique a lot of MUAs use is not setting your eyeshadow base so it is tacky. I don't really know why you would set your eyeshadow base because you don't gain anything from it. You more or less lose the grip of it. But just to set it, I'm just going to be taking this light peach shade out of the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette.
Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
First thing I'm going to be doing for this eyeshadow look is just applying this red shade here all across the lid. The technique I'm mainly using for the eyeshadow is just patting it and then blending it around. Now I'm just going to be cutting the crease with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Just going to be applying that red shimmer shade. I'm just going to be repeating that on this side. I'm now just going to be deepening the outer corner using this shade here. So that is the eyeshadow done, and a technique a lot of MUAs use is adding many layers of MAC Fix Plus, and this is a technique I also use. I decided to use the technique of not making layers using setting spray. So next step to this is concealer. I'm just going to be going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm now just going to be setting my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Duo. So now I have powdered my face, it's just time for contour. Using, again, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Duo. Now, the next technique is a technique I myself really enjoy doing. That is placing a stripe of concealer down there and down there, which then, when that is blended out, allows you to get a sharp line and sort of a cut between the actual contour and your skin. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to leave it like that. Now, the next step of my makeup is highlighter. The technique I'm going to be using is putting setting spray and wetting the brush before and after in my brush and the highlighter. Today I'm going to be using a mixture, as per usual, of the Revolution True Gold Pearl Lights highlighter and the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. Okay, so the eyebrow highlight didn't come out as bad as the cheek one, especially this side. Look, do you see that? You better stop! On this side it's not as bad, as in like there isn't a line at the bottom, but on here there is because of how wet it was. Now I'm just going to be doing mascara, and I don't think there's any other real techniques for doing this, but the mascara I'll be using is the Mascara Revolution. That is mascara all done. Now I'm just going to be applying a layer of MAC Fix Plus. Now, last but definitely not least is lipstick. Now, for lipstick today, to go along with the red eyeshadow, is this red liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade Jeffree Who. You might notice something. I have a very opaque layer of foundation and concealer over my lips. Now, usually at this point, I would grab a makeup wipe and take that excess foundation off my lips, but a technique well known to be used by none other than Nikki Tutorials is leaving a very opaque layer of foundation and concealer over your lips, because according to Nikki, this makes your lipstick come out, especially if you have very pigmented lips, it makes the opacity of the lipstick much stronger. The lipstick applied over the lips. Now, would I say that actually did anything? I wouldn't say it did a hell of a lot. Like, yes, as you can see, it's very opaque, like you can't see through it. But then again, Jeffree Star's formula is very full coverage. But that is this makeup look all done. I think the real question here is, did I like any of the techniques? Probably my favourite technique was the foundation on the lips to make the lipstick more full coverage. Aside from that, the highlighter was a big fail. That just really is not it. The eyeshadow, I wouldn't say exactly changed. Even though I made the base less tacky, it didn't really affect anything, to be honest. So please give this video a thumbs up and comment more video ideas in the comments, because I'm not a creative person and I can't really think of video ideas, even though I did think of this one, but not the point. You can also follow me on Instagram here, I guess. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking rude and throw the thing on me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.